"2024 was another great year for my GTI. I had the privilege of taking it to ABF show in Helen for the second time since moving to Georgia. I also took back to Jersey again. This year I continued to give it a new life by staying on top of maintenance while enjoying some nice upgrades. I made some mistakes but also really enjoyed the process. The end result allows me to continue to enjoy my car to the fullest. I'd like to say my vision for the car is complex yet simple, but let's be real, it will never truly be finished, and I think the point of it is really to continue to enjoy it where there's no real timeline. I hope everyone had a great year. Let's get into it.
Papa!
How you doing, brother?
Good, good, good. Now that I'm here.
Yeah. Pop that way for me, please.
Of course.
I met Ed a couple years back, but we've known each other since the VW Vortex forums. Such a great human being who loves MK3s too. This car right here is an example of pure dedication. Here's some more close-ups of my carbon fiber roof spoiler. I still don't remember exactly where I got it from, but I think it looks pretty cool. Unfortunately, after Helen, I experienced a sunroof leak, and that meant replacing the headliner and the trim and the sunroof assembly. Oh, not to mention those amazing sunroof drains. Replacing the sunroof assembly was very rewarding. Moving on to the ABC pillars, I used SCM satin black color coat, and it turned out pretty good, and it matches the natural black grain in the dash very well. I was rushing, so I forgot to lay down any primer. I'll need to redo these. I moved on to the headliner and added some of my own special touches like the red trim around the glass and the silver shade handle. I took care of some of the sound editing throughout the cabin as well. So there you have it. That's a wrap for 2024. So what's next? I need to repair or replace this headlight harness. As you can see, it's flickering. Always something.